你好，朱老师。
你好。
Last lesson we learned zh, ch, sh, and r.
It's not r.
Okay, very difficult. So far we've learned 4 of 7. So what are the final 3?
The next 3 is z, c, s. These 3 initials are pronounced slightly further forward in your mouth than zh, ch, sh, r. They require coordination between the tongue tip and the inside of the upper teeth. First, s.
That sounds like s in the English word student.
Yes, s.
S.
S. It's raining outside. Do you have an umbrella?
No, I don't.
So you need the Chinese word 伞. 思安, 伞.
San. But what does that mean?
Umbrella. 伞. Z. Your tongue tip should initially touches the inside of your upper teeth. Z.
Z. It kind of sounds like when you get electrocuted by something. Z.
Yes, Z. For example, 走, 走, 走 means to go or to walk. I have an umbrella. You can go with me.
好，我们走。
C. The airflow here is stronger than Z.
And the mouth shape is the same as when you say z.
Yes, C.
C.
For example, 菜, 吃爱菜, vegetables. I like vegetables.
我爱吃肉。你爱吃菜。
Good. You can speak Chinese now. So how about read these initials one more time?
No problem. Z, c, s,
S.
s.
Yes. Z, c, s. Now let's practice some syllables. 思安, 三, 3. 资安, 脏, dirty. 丝色, color. 丝绸, silk. Here, 丝, the same as 之 we learned before. It is a special final used after 滋, 呲, 丝. You also just read the initial and the tone. Here, I'll give you some more examples. 四, 词.
Wow. A lot of what we learn today is totally different than it is in English.
Well, yes and no. Some sounds exist in both languages, such as 丝.
But some things are totally new for me, such as the pronunciation of z, and some of it's even confusing. Like, the pronunciation for c is different compared to English, which would be k.
Oh, don't worry, just practice more. We'll go over these sounds later. See you next time.